Now that we are ready, let's run the simulator and see how that looks like in the simulator. I'm going to press start simulator, and this will start building a firmware image for each sensor node, and then using Kuja we simulate this network. Okay, now that the simulator is started, let's go look at the simulation, how that looks like. So if I'm going to make this a bit visible for you, let's bring it in the middle. Yes, so that's actually our 5 nodes, right? Then let's look at the output here. And I'm going to pause it right now, pause the simulator, so that we can look at the current information. You can see that first of all the light output value, yes, we got it, and then we collect it using the collector task. So this is the light sensor task, and then this is the data collection task. And then these data are forwarded or sent to from node 2 to node 1, and we can see, yes, the network is actually functioning and we have the data. So now it might be interesting to look at how the graph of this data, how does the data look like in time. So I'm going to continue the simulation, and I'm going to the graph.html here. This is a link to a file that we have locally, and it automatically updates the values of the light sensors. And then here you can see light 1, 2, 5. These are exactly the same address as we define here for each sensor. Address 2, 3. So that would be basically room 2, room 1, room 2, and room 5. Then you have, this is the each light values. This one is average values, and similarly here excluding the faulty nodes, because we have some algorithm to detect faulty nodes as well. And also the number of non-faulty nodes here. It should be 5, which is correct at the moment. It is 5. So that's how the data collection would look like. You can also query this information here. So if I go to this address, I can just see the raw data, which is very useful if you want to write your own data visualization or data collection.